Inspired by the incredible nature, driven by the quest to innovate, captivated by the concept of futuristic smart cities, and with a mission to make people's lives blissful, we have embarked on an exciting journey of immense possibilities, presenting AMD Overseas Impex India Private Limited, a business entity created with global lineage and well-established global business ethics and value systems. AMD was incorporated in India to manufacture UPVC windows and doors that are world-class in every respect. In order to achieve this goal, AMD windows and doors are manufactured using state-of-the-art facilities combining German precision, European style and Indian craftsmanship. The basic raw material, additives and strengthening agents are sourced from around the world to ensure superior strength and durability. These well-tested ingredients are used for manufacturing the profiles using latest German extruders. Precision dies are designed in-house to make them more relevant for Indian requirements. Colored profiles are laminated using fully automated profile lamination machines, offering choice of colors to enhance the aesthetics of your creations. AMD is also equipped with the latest profile bending machine to create windows of different shapes and sizes to cater to your creative needs with limitless possibilities. Profile cutting, precise drilling, necessary water drains and such other minute operations are carried out using imported machines under the watchful eyes of well-trained technicians. These are then fused together meticulously using completely automated robotic machines to ensure absolute perfection and desired strength. Glasses of different colors, shapes, sizes and specifications are always made available by reputed suppliers, Saint-Gobain, to meet the market demand under a special commercial arrangement. Quality checks are carried out at different stages of manufacture to ensure that AMD windows and doors live up to the promise and challenges. Expert service support engineers of AMD work with you as a part of your team and help you to shape your dream project as per your specifications. These superior quality windows are installed at site by factory-trained experts using world-class hardware and accessories to ensure smooth operations. AMD has innovated a fusion window system, which can be integrated into the walls of the building during construction stage itself, enhancing the safety factor. In order to cater to your varied needs, AMD windows are available in a wide range of colors, shapes and sizes. Be it tilt and turn, lift and slide, bifold, pivoted windows, wave door, tilt and slide door or any other type you require to convert your wildest ideas into reality. Being conscious of the safety of the environment and to support your green initiatives, AMD is well prepared to offer suitable solutions to any emerging challenges. AMD also offers unique windows with features like rounded edge on one side, rounded edge on both sides, smooth one-touch sliding, firm locking enabled by superior hardware, longer lasting sealing solutions, and many more such variants in its premium range. This is the reason why AMD has earned the trust of leading architects, developers, builders of commercial and residential complexes, palatial villa projects, and more. You may conceive your projects to be vertical or horizontal. We invite you to join our expedition and explore a whole new world of windows. Because at AMD, we believe that every challenge is an opportunity, and every opportunity is a new milestone towards an exciting journey in perfection and possibilities. Let's together make the concept of blissful life a reality for everyone. AMD is ready to innovate, invent, and implement it for you. AMD Overseas Impex India Private Limited.